What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and today we bring you another Ecoboost. This one's Matt's. It's been on our dyno before, made about 520, 530, something like that. We'll pull it up here in a minute, but he did a few mods to the car. You guys can check it out. We went wide body on it, changed the wheels and tires. We got our Mafia ported 2.3 liter Ecoboost intake on it. Matt says that he felt the difference. We haven't got to test it on the dyno yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. So, we're gonna see if we're gonna add any horsepower, any torque, any difference in the RPM range, because the tune has not been updated, correct? Tune is exactly the same as when it was here last time. It is a lot hotter today though, I will say that. It is humid, humid, humid. But, ported intake on the car, the only change that we're doing. Now we're hoping that we can see a gain in horsepower and torque, but at the very minimum, Matt has already said that he feels like the throttle is snappier, everything feels just a little bit more responsive, and he liked that. So, should be good either way, but we're gonna see exactly what it makes. But just look at it, it's good looking. We're gonna get it strapped on. I'll pull up the dyno, we'll see what it did last time. So this thing is a ripper, makes a bunch of power. It is tuned by Ryan at PD Tuning. And I think we're gonna, I'm hoping it's gonna get 540 today. What do you think? 540? I think 540. It is a big turbo. What size is the turbo again? EFR 7163. And yeah, I'll show it to you guys. It's a monster. Sits up there real big, custom intake on it. Pretty crazy. We'll see what she makes. Alrighty guys, so here's what we did last time. You can see it was being tuned last time. Ryan was tuning it, so we started at 492, up to 513, and then I think we added some boost, made 534, 542. So like I said, the goal today will be to hit 540. I will be stoked if it makes 5 peak horsepower, but I'm hoping what it'll do is gain a little bit throughout the RPM range. Maybe bring it in a little bit sooner, because if it does that, what it is actually doing will be removing a restriction, so it'll make less boost but more power, and that's what we want. So we're gonna let it cool off for another minute, and then we'll make a run and see how she does. Alrighty guys, well not quite the result that we were looking for, but we figured out the issue. So obviously the car was making still fantastic power, upper 500s, but as we're making the run and we're hitting 30 PSI, the last time the car was here and we made the 530 number, well yeah, the 492 and the 530, this was at lower boost, this was at 35 PSI. Well, these runs, we're only hitting 30 pounds of boost, 29 pounds of boost, 31 pounds of boost, and I tried them. Those are in different gears. I tried 4th gear, I tried 5th gear. We tried more load on the dyno, less load on the dyno, and then we found something. So as we're doing the pull, there is basically smoke or steam there's something coming out of the intercooler. So the intercooler basically is smoking on the other side from about right here. So over there, when we break about 25-ish PSI, it starts smoking. So we have a boost leak, and the car's not one to make 35 pounds of boost. So I'm still pretty happy with what we got here, because it's still making fantastic power. And if you look at it actually, so the red and the blue are these lines. So down low, we're actually making a lot more power. You see that? So our green and our orange lines are the new, and then what happens is we don't hit enough boost, less boost, less boost, less boost, less boost by a good bit. So without the car making up for the amount of boost that we're losing, because it's just not going that high again, we're only getting the low 30s, we make the power, which is why you're feeling it for sure. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's a gain up until about 4,200, and then it crosses, and that's where the boost carries, and we hold the boost. So I'm stoked with it. We definitely got to fix that little issue. See if we can talk to Ryan and get Ryan to do some little tweaking, make sure that we can get some more boost out of the car. Because if we can get that 35 pounds of boost, I have no doubt that this car will be making that 550 mark like we were talking about. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Matt, thanks for bringing the car. We're going to have him come back again after we get our little boost leak fixed and have Ryan do some more tuning on the car, and we will get that 550 number out of this stock engine. I forgot to tell you guys that. This is a stock EcoBoost engine. It's not a built motor, just a big turbo. We'll see you next time.